Hey friends, hello and welcome back to today's YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix your device is missing important security and quality fixes while you are on your Windows update. So if you encounter this kind of error statement, then let's go quick into the process. Click on the start button and then you need to click on the settings icon. Now if you cannot access settings through the start button, you can simply search for settings on the Windows search bar. Click on it. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you'll find system. Scroll down and you'll find troubleshoot. Click on other troubleshooters. Now you'll find Windows Update with the run button corresponding to it. So run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Now what this will do is that this will help you detect and spot the problem or issue that you are facing on your Windows, and it will give you suggestions and recommendations on how you can fix the issue. So you just need to follow what it suggests and what it recommends. It will also automatically fix the issue for you. Then run the Windows Update Troubleshooter, and after that you just need to make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Now for the next method, we can also uninstall the recently installed updates because that can also cause the error. Now click on the start button and then go to the settings window. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to select Windows Update. Scroll down and you'll find Update History. Scroll down again and you'll find Uninstall Updates. And here you'll find a list of the latest updates on your Windows. So just simply click on the uninstall button. And after you have uninstalled the update, then you just need to make a right click again at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And for the next method, we also need to check the Windows search service. So go ahead in the Windows search bar, type services. Now click on services under the best match. Now we need to scroll down to the W section as these are arranged in alphabetical order. Now here we need to look for the Windows Update service. Make a right click, select Properties. Startup type, that should be automatic. Service status, if it is not yet running, click on Start. If it is already running, click on Stop. Click on Start to restart the service. Then you have to click on Apply, click on OK, close the window. Then make a right click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. So if any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.